Good morning, students. So, today we will start our new chapter in information technology, that is the digital documentation. Okay. So, now what is digital documentation? See, earlier हम कह सकते हैं पुराने ज़माने में earlier what we used manual typewriters. Okay, so we use manual typewriters for typing a document, है ना. धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, वो रिप्लेस हुआ किससे, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टाइपराइटर से. देन आफ्टर दैट computers were come. Okay, so computers solved so many problems related to this. So firstly we have to know that what is a document. Well, a document is a paper with written contents, and the process of preparing a document is called documentation. So जो documents होते हैं बेटा वो किसी भी तरीके से हो सकते हैं. It can be letters, it can be reports, ठीक है, it can be books, है ना. Even what जो books आप लोग read करते हो, that all are printed, है ना. So somewhere they are written, somewhere they are typed. Okay, so for that purpose word processing softwares are used. Okay, so through the word processing softwares we can enter, edit, format, store, retrieve, print, everything we can do it. Okay, so the term word processing was first invented by IBM. IBM is your International Business Machine. Okay, in the late 1960s. Okay, so the modern word processors, एक्चुअली आजकल जो वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर्स यूज़ होने लगे हैं, लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड, लाइक लिब्रे ऑफिस, देयर आर सो मैनी वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर्स हियर. So they are using two features mainly, that is the GUI. GUI is what? GUI is your graphical user interface. Like you use Windows, and you can see that there are icons, there are pictures. आप उसको देखते ही समझ जाते हो that what you have to do, how to make folders, everything. That is a GUI. बेटा other thing होती है CUI. CUI is your character user interface. But in Windows we use GUI because everything is in the form of picture there. Okay, and the other feature is your WYSI, WYG, that is your what you see is what you get. Beta, that means what? कि whatever changes or whatever effects you put on the text, that will be visible, है ना, that will be visible to you. Okay, so that is what you see is what you get, कि आपको आप जैसा देख रहे हो वही आपको मिल रहा है. Like what you see is what you get. And just learn the full form of this GUI and WYSI, WYG. These are important full forms. Then beta office suite. See, office means what? देखो office suite का मतलब क्या है बेटा, आप जो नॉर्मली हम ऑफिसेज में सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, अब ऑफिस में हमें डॉक्यूमेंट्स पे काम करना होता है, हमें कैलकुलेशंस करनी होती हैं, या हमें कहीं सेमिनार देना होता है. सो फॉर ऑल दैट पर्पस देयर आर सॉफ्टवेयर्स लाइक वर्ड, स्प्रेडशीट एंड PowerPoint. Okay, so office suite is what? Office suite is a collection of programs which are useful for word processing, spreadsheet preparation, presentation and database management. So बेटा आपकी सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग जो आपको ऑफिस सूट पढ़ना है दैट इज़ द लिब्रे ऑफिस. ओके, लाइक इसके अलावा आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस पे भी काम कर सकते हो, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सिलेबस इट्स लिब्रे ऑफिस. सो लिब्रे ऑफिस इज़ free and open source software. The very first thing beta, this full form is also very important. FOSS. Okay, FOSS means what? Free and open source. Beta, free means what? That it is freely available on the internet. You can download it from there. That is a free there this www.libreoffice.org. From there you can download it freely. And open source means that its source code is free. That means even you can change its source code if you have the expertise. ओके, सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस लिब्रे ऑफिस आई थिंक ये आपको क्लियर होना ज़रूरी था. दैट्स वाई मैंने आपको ये चीज़ बताई. ओके, थैंक यू.